Hello students, welcome back to our class. Today we will do the second part of the chapter simplification. So let us start from question number 11. 1. 3 by 8 divided by in the first bracket 1 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4 first bracket close. So at first we have to perform the operation in the first bracket. Here on the second step I have converted the mixed fraction into the improper fraction, and next we have performed the LCM of 8 and 4. Our LCM is 8, and after that we have removed the first bracket. 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 8. Then we have done the reciprocal 3 by 8, and the reciprocal of 9 by 8 is 8 by 9. We have performed the mathematical operations of division and our result is 1 by 3. On question number 12, 1, 2 1 by 2 minus 13 by 4 in the second bracket divided by on first bracket 3 1 by 2 minus 1 3 by 4 end of first bracket and end of second bracket. On the second step I have converted 2 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 minus I have kept 13 by 4 as it is divided by 7 by 2 minus 7 by 4. As you can see that I have converted the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Then I have performed the LCM operation, and after that we have removed, or I have removed the first bracket. Then once again here also we have done the reciprocal of 7 by 4, that is 4 by 7, and perform the division operation among 13 by 4 and 4 by 7. Next I have removed the second bracket and perform the mathematical operation of subtraction between 5 by 2 and 13 by 7, and our answer become 9 by 14. On question number 13, 1, 3 1 by 3 of 1 by 2 plus 2 divided by on third bracket 2 multiplied on the second bracket 2 minus 2 on the first bracket minus 1 by 5 end of first bracket, second bracket and third bracket. At first I have converted 3 1 by 3 into 10 by 3 and replaced the off with the multiplication symbol and kept 1 by 2 as it is, plus 2 divided by 2 multiplied under second bracket 2 minus inside the first bracket I have performed the subtraction operations. Then on the next step I have removed the first bracket and the portion become 2 minus 9 by 5. Once again on that part I have performed another subtraction operations where the LCM is 5. Then our result become 1 by 5, and at this position I have removed the second bracket. After that we have removed the third bracket as we have done earlier. The reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. 2 and 2 we have divided both the 2 and our result become 1. On another part 10 by 3 into 1 by 2, there also we have done the division operations and divided 10 by 2 and the result is 5. Now we have added 5 by 3 plus 5 and these are the remaining part. Our LCM is 3 and our result is 20 by 3, and we have converted it into a mixed fraction, that is 6 2 by 3 is our answer. Now on question number 14, we have to prove that 8 1 by 6 multiplied by 2 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14 is equal to 8 1 by 6 into 2 3 by 7 plus 8 1 by 6 into 5 by 14. On the second step I have solved the problem, and how it is, we have learned the distributive property on the chapter integer. So using that property I have solved this problem. 8 1 by 6 into 2 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14, and here I have taken 8 1 by 6 as common and 2 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14. So this is our answer. Hence right hand side is equal to left hand side. So it is proved. Now your homework will be question number 11's 2 and 3, question number 12's number 2, question number 13 number 2. That's all for today. Hope you have understand today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day. If you have any doubts, write in the comment box. And if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Once again, thank you.